India is a land of intense belief, and Lord Shiva is worshipped in all its nooks and corners with great austerity. While speaking of Lord Shiva and his glory, the word that comes to every devoted Hindu would be Jyotirlinga. And despite the rich history that every chapter carries, consider this guide to acquaint yourself with the story of the Jyotirlinga. An ardent devotee of Shiva would tell you there are 12 places that one should aspire to visit. But before we talk about them and their origins, we shall see how the term Jyotirlinga came into being. Going back to its very origin, we will start with talking about the Shiva Mahapuran. According to this ancient text, when there was absolutely no life anywhere in the universe, however, on a lotus flower originated Vishnu, and from his navel, Lord Brahma. As mentioned in our previous stories, Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the preserver, and Shiva is known as the destroyer. Both Vishnu and Brahma, when they got to know each other's existence, started proclaiming one to be superior to the other. Their argument was never ending. And then, all of a sudden, in the midst, sprang a pillar of light. They were asked to reach the respective ends of the column. During this, Brahma decided that he would go upwards and Vishnu chose to go downwards. Both swam in their respective directions for what could be eons and yet could not find end to the pillar. At last, Lord Vishnu accepted the fact that the pillar had no downward end and came back to the place where he had begun. Brahma, on the other hand, got tired of going upward with no end in sight. He decided he would simply tell Lord Vishnu that he had found the end, thereby claiming his supremacy. When the two met, Brahma was not truthful and that he had seen the end of the pillar. At this point, Shiva, who is otherwise formless, appeared and told Brahma that what he was claiming was a lie. And in fact, it was he, Lord Shiva, who was the pillar without any beginning or an end. As a result, Lord Brahma was punished, and to date, he is not worshipped anywhere except in one or two places in the world. Vishnu thereby became a favorite of Lord Shiva. And when it was time to distribute the duties concerning creation, protection, and destroying the world, Vishnu became the protector, Brahma the creator, and Shiva the destroyer. Thus, 12 Jyotirlinga are at places where Lord Shiva appeared for his devotees. The term Jyoti is light, and Linga, in the form of which Lord Shiva is represented and worshipped, to denote neither beginning nor the end.